Okay, I'm going to show you how to get local keyword search volumes for a city or state or county. It's important to note that Google really dominates the search engine space with 95% of all searches. So they have a majority of all the search volume data. And most of the free keyword tools out there use Google's API to pull that search volume data into their keyword tool. The problem is that Google's API only allows users to select a language and or a country. So you can't get local city, state, or county level keyword data out of any free keyword tool. You actually have to get it directly out of Google. So when it comes to finding keywords or local keywords, you really have two options. The first is a fairly inaccurate way, which would basically be to calculate the population of your local area and divide it by the whole country, and then multiply that by the keyword volume. That's a very inaccurate way to do it, but you could get it somewhat of an idea. The second way to get accurate local keyword search volume data is to sign up for a Google Ads account and get it directly out of Google using Google's keyword planner. Definitely, it's the recommended way to do it. It's pretty much what all professional SEOs use to get the most accurate data. Now, the big question people have with signing up for a Google Ads account is, do I have to run a campaign? Will I be capped, or will they show me all the real volume data? And the answer to that is you do need to run a campaign within Google Ads to get the keyword planner to show you the accurate data. However, you can create a campaign with a brand term or with a very obscure term that runs little to zero clicks. So in essence, you still can get this tool for free. So that is a recommended way to get local keyword search volume data. I'll show you once we're in the keyword planner how to pull that local keyword volume. When you're in your Google Ads account, up in the top right hand corner under Tools and Settings, you would come over to the Planning column and you just go to Keyword Planner, and it will pop up like this. You would go to Discover New Keywords, and this is where you will enter in your data. So we're just going to put in the word dentist to see how much keyword volume there is for the word dentist. So up at the very top here, this is where you're going to set your location. So right now it's set to the whole United States in the English language across the Google network. So we're going to look across Google Networks and search partners. And then this is the length of time. I'm going to say all available to get kind of the most accurate trend lines that I can. But so let's pop over back to location to get some local. So if I want to find out what the search volume for dentists is in just the state of Colorado, I would simply add in Colorado and add that as a target. I'm going to remove the United States. So now I am only looking at search volume in just Colorado, and it definitely significantly changes the amount of search volume because I'm looking at just Colorado. The nice thing about this is you can add multiple locations, right? So if I want to look at Colorado and Utah, I could add both states and it will check just the search volume of those two states. There is also the ability to look at some region data that Google has, some DMA Nielsen data. So for instance, if I type in Colorado, you can see that there is this region data called Nielsen's DMA regions, which kind of gives you a much larger, I'll pull out Utah and Colorado. It kind of gives you a very broad across multiple cities or across multiple counties. That's another way that you can kind of string things together. So again, really cool tool. I can go the whole country. Obviously, I could say just the United States and do the whole country. or you can go down to just a city level. If I want to see just in Denver, I can look at just Denver. And then I can also string multiple cities together. For instance, if I want to see Denver and a large adjacent city, which would be, say, Aurora, Colorado, I just add in Aurora. And now I can see the search volumes for just these two areas, right? That's a really kind of simple way to add as much area or city as you'd like. Or again, I can do the whole state. So that is how you find the local keyword search volumes for a city or state. When you have chosen your locations, your city, state, county, whatever it may be, then down here you can see the trend line and the volumes for each, as well as additional keyword ideas. And then you can sort it by competition, bid data, and really there's a lot of different ways you can sort and find the right keywords that are best for you. But simply put, the only way to get accurate local keyword search volume data is directly in Google Ads Keyword Planner. And that's it. Thank you.